a stone over water, skipping across a lake before I sink to the bottom. And how I wish I could say that I'm immune to